Compound slabs and their separate leaves can be modified with Modify Properties tool. Select the Wall Compound Slab assembly and then Modify Properties tool. In the dialog box, we can edit various parameters: compound slab general parameters or parameters of each separate layer, the definition, thickness, or edge setback. Let's modify the thickness of the insulation layer and the definition of the finish layer. Then we click in the view to apply changes and check the updated model. The finish layer material has been changed, and we can check the updated insulation thickness in the Properties dialog. It has been updated too. With Modify Properties tool, we can also modify just a single layer.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.